Hello guys and welcome to the channel. So right now I will be doing a range test. Actually this is a test for the new fly-up version 1.6.9. It is the latest software from DJI regarding this drone, which is the Mini 3 Pro. So I will take off. So regarding the software guys, the software update is all about the SD cards speed, or some SD card not reading well, and the issue about the controller regarding the freezing, no response. Right now I'm scanning the area guys, so I will take the drone higher so that I can have the view. So I think I will just follow the river. Not so many obstacles guys. So I reached the max altitude, which is 58 meters. By the way guys, this area has a altitude limit of only 60 meters. So I set my altitude limit to 58 meters. And now we are approaching 200 meters from the home point. I'm not expecting for a long distance range test, because as you can see guys, there are so many buildings here. Many buildings which is equivalent to many interferences, which greatly affect the quality of the signal, the connection. So maybe only about 1 kilometer I think before any signal loss guys. So this is the view. So I will just follow the river and move away from the houses. By the way guys, I already register my drone, in spite it is only for 249 grams, because I'm planning to buy the extended battery, the 47 minutes battery. When that one I will use in my drone, the weight limit will be, the takeoff limit will be 289 grams. So I need to register the drone, and last week I already registered the drone, and I already have the license to fly. So right now we are already 1.1 kilometers. As you can see the signal guys now, so already 2 bars. So there's so many interference in the area guys, so many buildings which affect the signal quality. So I already have two bars, but I think I can make it. I can still make it. I will hit 2 kilometers. I will try depending on the signal. Okay. Oh, first warning: weak signal, adjust antennas. So as you can see guys, the signal is very intermittent. So the second warning, weak signal. So I keep on pushing guys. I will try to hit 2 kilometers guys. So as you can see, still 2 bars. So maybe I will have disconnection later. So the third signal, the weak signal notification. I think it will disconnect anytime now. Oops, weak signal again. So as you can see guys, so I think already disconnected guys. So as you can see, the drone still capturing the video, but the video transmission to the controller is very jittery and intermittent. So I think, yeah, so I will still push through guys. I will just hit the 2 kilometers. No transmission, so already disconnected guys. So we will still wait guys to regain the control. Yes, already regained. So I will keep pushing for 2 kilometers. I already hit the 2 kilometers and the second no transmission, disconnection. Oh. So as you can see guys, the drone still capturing the video, but the I think it's already disconnected. Yeah, the controller. So once I have regained, so don't worry guys, it will automatically return to home for a preset time. Or if I regain the control, I will just trigger the home return to home function. So don't worry guys, still have 74 minutes of 74% of battery. And this area is very near. So if anything happens, I can ride a motorcycle and go to this area. So no worries, just wait. So as you can see guys, so the drone still filming but already disconnected to the controller. Once I regain the connection, I will just return to home. But I can still wait. So I will return to home now. So yeah, okay. Now the drone will return to home, to the home point. So as you can see guys, the video in the drone is flawless, but the video transmission to the control is little bit lagging or jittery, but it will regain anytime now because as you can see, it already has a 2 bars, 3 bars. Yeah, as we approaching to the home point, it will gradually increase. So I think that is the limit guys, 2 kilometers. It is not bad. That is good. It's good. The range is good because as you can see guys, there's so many buildings and too many sources of interference guys that will affect the connections, the signal. So I think the range test is good. So comment down below guys if the range, the 2 kilometers range test for this area is good. I think it's good, judging from this area guys. So many buildings as you can see guys, much taller to the altitude limit set in this area, which is only 60 meters. So I need to be careful, right? Because there are taller buildings. So right now we are approaching 1 kilometer guys from the home point. Okay. So this is a automated process guys, the return to home. So I will take over once the drone is near. So now it's less than 1 kilometers guys, and still have 63% of battery, 3 bars signal. Still the signal is weak. Yes guys, I think I've done a good range test, urban test guys. So I think if I test this drone to the sea or some places without many interference guys, I can move the drone very far. But for now I think for this area it's very limited. So the distance is less than 500 meters guys to the home point, and 60% battery guys. Now we are approaching to the home point. As you can see, I'm there in a motorcycle guys. There's so many buildings. Actually this is a few yards away from my house. I usually jog in this place. So approaching 100 meters to the home point, and I will descend. So the view is very good guys. It's almost 8 a.m. now. I will descend now guys. So as you can see, so many buildings guys now, so many interference, and I think the range test is good. The range is good, 2 kilometers, that is the limit. So I will descend will just slowly rotate the drone. Okay. So, and okay. And that is me. So wave, wave, wave. Hi. So that's me. And thank you for watching, guys. And see you again in my next drone footage regarding this Emma Mini 3 Pro of DJI. What a fantastic drone. Thank you for watching, guys. And see you soon. Thank you very much.